Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that want to replace their Bose QuietComfort headphone pads. If they look like this, well, we've got you covered. So without any further ado, let's get started so we can listen to it nicely. Come. All right, so this is it here. Just gonna move this stuff out of the way. These aren't the original Bose ones, but they could be Joe's, but they will definitely look like the original ones when they came out of the box. What you want to do is, I guess they must have been sleeping with these. Just pull it from right here on the end, because remember, we're not pulling the outside, okay? You're pulling on the inside of the headphones. And as you can see, we have a left and we have a right. But what you want to do is you want to pull off from right in there inside, okay? Come right off. See how it just pops from the inside? See, no glue, no tape, as you can see. And we're going to take this out, and there should be a little bit of like stickiness happening on the inside, the adhesive in there. You can take that off, right? Just keep doing that. Helped it stick on there before. Do the same thing with what's in here on the inside, but don't ruin anything. It looks like there's a cable in there, okay? Just keep pulling it back until we can get a bigger section of the glue. As you can see, got it off. See that? Without damaging anything. So you want to make sure you do that. Since this is the left one, right, that we removed, just take off these little stickers right here, and then take this off, these little covers. And then what you'll do is you will line this up, hopefully, you know, within that same area, and then push this, push this down. Looks like it seeds in there. See, right about there. Just do it so it's like that, and then just press gently. See, this should fit right in just like that. There's no left or right when it comes to these. You just basically grab any one, and as you can see, they're pretty much the same. Okay, it doesn't say left or right. And then what we will do is seed them in from one end, from underneath, so that it goes in the way. You'll hear it click. And that's, see, means the magic is happening. You got to do it all the way around. You should click all the way around. See, it's popping out, but we don't want it to pop out. We want it to pop in. See, there we go. And then do the same thing here. Pop it in. Same thing here. Pop it in. Pop it in. And there should be a few tabs going all the way around. See that? And almost. See? Voila. Well, almost. So it looks like I didn't seed these in correctly. You'll know if you did it correctly because it won't be doing what you see happening right now. There we go. Just double check. You should be able to pick it up without it falling apart. See? And then just do this all the way around so that we can look for areas like that. See that? That one is all right, and down, and that's the left one. As good as new. Kind of neat, huh? You could see the difference in color. Gives it a second life. Thankfully, this doesn't have to be replaced. And then it's rinse and repeat with the other one too. So now we're just going to do the other side. Remember, just pull from underneath. See, should be a breeze. And then we're going to pull this out. Sometimes I wish you could just pull it out in the sticker. If you pull it slowly, you might get lucky and be able to remove the tape. That's not happening. So we have to do the same thing again here. Just start it so you can get the remnants of the tape off. See? Comes off easily on one side. It's the other part, because remember, this is a little wire in there. Voila. See that? Got it. So all right, it's right there. You know the difference between the old one and the new one, because the new one will have the fresh tape on it. Okay? These things right here carefully, because and voila. So we'll seed this in correctly, right about there. See that? And nice that we can know which one is the left and which one is the right. And if it goes too far in, just do that. See? Voila. We can put the new one on, which is right here. You just seat it in the way we did the other one, all the way around. Pop it in, pop it in, pop it in, pop it in. See, it'll start clicking and popping in all the way around. See? And I'm up. One more. Let's just check it. And that's it. Just double check it by going all the way around. Do that. Snug it. Just pull it to make sure that no side is popping out like this. See? You don't want that. And now, look at that. Kind of neat, huh? As good as new. Now let's see if these things actually work. Play anything, play something that isn't copyright strucken. You hear that? Speaker 1. Speaker 2. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. You just want to make sure that you don't accidentally splice that wire, because then you won't hear anything. Gotta love it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope this video helped you get the music back into your ears at a more comfortable level that doesn't look like this. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.